Trek is the starting point of the journey to build dreams. Growth is the testimony of the age of dreams. Jiangsu Guchuan Machinery in the industry, go forward with the world concentric. Jiangsu Guchuan Machinery, founded in 2011, that is located in Changzhou City, Jiangsu Province, the economic hinterland of the Yangtze River Delta of China. It is a well-known enterprise in research and development and manufacturing of hydraulic breaker and core spare parts. After years of journey in leap forward, under the leadership of General Manager Mr. Zhang Qianqing, Jiangsu Guchuan Machinery has developed a team with consummate technology, excellent quality, and strong sense of social responsibility. Through professional and innovative management, Guchuan Machinery provides an optimized industrial chain for the construction machinery industry. Ingenuity is a pursuit of excellence, is a stubbornness to strive for perfection, is a kind of original heart unchanged stick. Over the years, Guchuan people have been committed to technological innovation and product research and development, and constantly introduce domestic and foreign advanced technology and equipment, optimize the manufacturing process and technology, to provide customers with more efficient, reliable and safe product. Guchuan people reveal their dedication to products with zero defects. The high-quality employees accumulated over the years have become the cornerstone of the development of Guchuan Machinery and a powerful weapon to face the domestic and foreign market competition. Guchuan Machinery products have advanced technology and excellent performance. Our hydraulic breaker is made of unique hydraulic system and high-strength alloy material with durability, wear resistance, impact resistance, high efficiency and other excellent characteristics. Widely used in mining, construction, highway, bridge, railway and other occasions. Strict quality control is an important guarantee of product quality. Guchuan Quality Assurance Team in line with the principle of not producing defective products, not transferring defective products, not selling defective products, strict quality control standards and evaluation system throughout the whole industry chain. Every process will go through strict inspection through complete product development, process development, control and standard operations to ensure zero defects of products. Guchuan Machinery pay attention to customer needs and service quality. We have a skilled, experienced after-sales service team to provide customers with training, regular overhaul, maintenance, upgrade and other comprehensive services, so that customers buy at ease, rest assured to use 24-hour emergency response, 48 hours to solve the problem commitment, to maximize the protection of the interests of customers. Guchuan Machinery has always adhered to the lead of innovation, obtained a number of invention patents and utility model patents, and successfully passed various professional certifications, and obtained many honors. No accumulation of steps can't lead to 1,000 miles. No integration of streams can't result in seas and ocean. The high-quality products are exported to Japan, South Korea, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe, North America, South America, Africa and other countries and regions. winning recognition and praise from customers at home and abroad. We will continue to innovate, constantly improve our technology and product performance, promote Chinese intelligent production, build a century-old enterprise, and make unremitting efforts to become the most trusted partner of the global construction machinery industry.